Good morning, friends. So today we are again with our practice work, right? I have told you all previously also, when we do our drawing, first of all, always give a warm up, right? So let's start with our warm up exercise. First, we'll do sleeping line from left to right, and this you have to follow regularly. रोज आप इसको एटलीस्ट 5 to 10 minutes करोगे, right? Then right to left, then slant from top to bottom, then again same position but bottom to top. इससे ये प्रैक्टिस होगी कि आप विदाउट स्केल भी स्ट्रेट लाइन खींच पाओगे, ठीक है? देन अगेन slant line from top to bottom on the opposite side, again from bottom to top, okay? Now we'll do circle exercise. देखिए, both side clockwise and then anti-clockwise, both. See this, in both the direction, again in opposite direction. Now we'll do standing line from top to bottom, then again bottom to top. This exercise you are going to do regularly without fail, at least 10 minutes to free your hands, okay? Fine. Now इसकी इनके हेल्प से अब हम शेप्स बनाएंगे. So let's start. Now we will do sleeping line, standing line, again one standing line and a sleeping line, okay? A square. Now we will make a rectangle, sleeping line, small standing line, again one small standing line and a long sleeping line. Rectangle. See this, I'm not using a scale just because we do practice regularly, okay? Now see this, slant line, opposite direction slant line and one sleeping line. This is a triangle. Now circle, okay? So these are our shapes and these are very common shapes, and now with the help of these shapes we will make some drawings, okay? So let's start. See this assignment you all are going to do in your plain drawing book, Now with the help of circles I'll show you that you all can make different objects, right? Objects or animals. I'll just show you and you all have to make this in your plain drawing book. And with the help of this we will also do in our art book also, okay? Now see this, with the help of mama's bangle you'll make a circle first and keep it. Now we will start. what can you see this? A tortoise. Now in our second circle, see this. What is this? Yes, a cow. Okay, now we'll go for the third circle. This is a cat. Okay. Now on the next page you all are going to draw again the circles, and I'm going ready. Okay, now we'll make, and this activity is in your art and craft book. I'll show you. Now with the help of circle, now here in the second circle we'll make a brinjal that is also in okay. Now here, see this. Now we'll do in the next circle. You the same in a art and craft book. With the help of a rounder, we'll do a rough circle, okay, and then we will start with our teddy. Of this page only, this book only, sorry. Now we will complete our brinjal. See this, you have to join both the lines. See this, we have completed with our brinjal, and now we will take, in this manner you are going to complete your apple. And now we are going to go to the next assignment. Now we are going to do this, okay, a flower. See this, you all have been given here the steps. Follow the steps and draw it here, okay. So bye. Have a good day. Stay home. Stay safe. God bless.